Okay, everybody, went in El Salvador. We got to do the famous rainbow slide. Let's look how far it goes down there. And I'll be sitting here right now in this little tub. And we got to go this way. All right, ready? Just gonna grease up the. Gotta hold on tight here. I had to sign my life away too before I did this. Let's see, this is one of the must-dos when you're here in El Salvador, in San Salvador. Ready? Okay, everybody, I got done with the slide. It was a quick thrill, worth it. Definitely a must-do if you're out here in El Salvador, the rainbow slide. And man, my heart was pumping, big adrenaline rush. And yeah, kind of beats a lot of stuff I guess you would do at Disneyland or something like that. So anyway, we're going to grab some lunch here, as you can see. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed that little video there I did of the rainbow slide here. And I will check in with you guys later. Okay, this is Dhaval signing off here in San Salvador, El Salvador. Talk to you guys soon.